All right, here we go. Now we did area of a rectangle. Now we're going to take what we know about area of a rectangle. Area. Sorry about that. Area of a parallelogram. Okay, I'll make no secret about it. I love this geometry stuff. It's nice and simple, but it's kind of neat the way it makes it. Okay, so we're gonna go with a let's go rectangle again. I don't really. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make it 7 units long, and I don't know, 4 units high. Okay, what is the area of that? What's the area of this rectangle? 7 by 4. Well, you can count up. You can still count them up. I mean, that's why I suggest you get some graph paper. You can have fun with this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is centimeter graph paper. That's 7 centimeters. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I made it 5. 5 centimeters. So the area, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Area equals 7 centimeters times 5 centimeters, 35 centimeters squared. All right? So we're going to take this and we're going to turn it into a parallelogram. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push with my thumb and push this thing crooked. I'm going to push it over, say, that far. So I'm going to take this corner and move it over there. I'm going to take this corner and move it over the same number of units. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm moving this point to here, 4 units. I'm going to take this corner and move it 1, 2, 3, 4 units. All right, let's see here. So I pushed it over, and now I want to know what is the area of this parallelogram. I could have it in color here, but I want to know what's the area of this parallelogram. Okay? Instead of that original rectangle. Well, I wonder. If I look at this original rectangle and I'm taking this away from it, right? This part here, this triangle on the left over here, I'm taking it away. That was in my rectangle. It's not going to be in my parallelogram. My parallelogram is this shape right here, right? It's got this side parallel to the opposite side and this side parallel to the opposite side. A quadrilateral, four-sided figure with opposite sides parallel. Well, check it out. I took this triangle, I take it away, but where do I put it? I put it right over here. So I take this triangle and I added it right here. So what's the area of this parallelogram? The area of the parallelogram is the same. It's still the same as that original rectangle. The height. Don't be fooled by whatever this length is. This length is, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem later on to find out this length. But the area of the parallelogram is 5 centimeters times 7 centimeters. It's the same as the original rectangle. 35 centimeters squared. Now, you just got to be careful that you always use the height. The height of the width has to be perpendicular to the base. The two sides you multiply together must be perpendicular to one another. Do not use this length as your height or your length. You don't use this length to figure out the area, to calculate area. Okay, you use this height right here. This is your 5 centimeters. This is the height of my parallelogram, or my width. And then I've still got the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm multiplying this length times the perpendicular width. Okay? That's area of a parallelogram.